Yo, what's up guys, it's Star here, back again with another epic Beyblade burst unboxing. Right here, we got Bushin Ashur. So if you saw my last video unboxing Venom Diablos and Erase Diablos, you know that I said I was going to be unboxing this next, and that is exactly what I'm doing. So later on today, the day I'm making this video, later on today, I'm going to be getting the new Longinus. Well, I don't know if it's new anymore since it's been a month since I've gone back. But I'm going to be unboxing Longinus soon, and also I got this really cool light set that I'll make. That was pretty expensive, but it'll make my videos a lot more brighter and better, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, besides all that, just getting you guys updated, let's get straight into this unboxing. So right here, we got the awesome Bushin Ashur. This is its owner, it's a GT Bay defense type. B135 booster, which means it doesn't come with a launcher, but it's a Karatomi. And here, it kind of showing off the gimmick. I'll tell you guys about the gimmick later. But here shows like the layer basically. Bushin Ashur, AHR KP10. And right here we got the back. So right here, we have the Gachi chip, which is Ashur. The weight, which is 10. We have this already. We've seen this before. Then we have the layer, which is Bushin, which makes Bushin Ashur. This is really cool. And I like it. Looks like it's a defense bay. I think it'll be good defense. I heard it's not too good, but we'll see about that. Right here we have the disc, which is a hurricane. It kind of has that kind of tornado wyvern layer gimmick, where the what is it? It's kind of like a disc and a layer. I don't think it's forged together. I think you can remove it, but you can't put this on any other bay. I mean, on any other disc. Like, it's only meant for this disc, I'm pretty sure. And it has like that tornado feel to it. It's pretty cool. It's free spinning, and it's purple, which reminds me of Tornado Wyvern. It's really cool. And right here we have the keep driver, which I think the bottom part's rubber, and it's meant to keep it, in balance. I think that'll be cool, and I can't wait to see it in battle. Here, this is Ace Dragon again. Here are some of the stats. And yeah, besides all that, it's a GT bay, by the way. But anyways, besides all that, let's get straight into this bay. Alright guys, so we got the bay all laid out right there and there. We're gonna go ahead and review this, but first we gotta put on the stickers. So let's go ahead and get into that. Alright guys, we got all the parts laid out with the stickers on the layer and everything. So let's go ahead and get into this bit. So right here we got the layer, Bushin Ashur. This looks awesome. You can see the Zen weight driver sticking out. Sorry, not driver, the Zen weight sticking out. The layer, it's pretty light compared to the other GT bays that we've been unboxing. But it's still pretty cool. Right here we got says like 3 teeth, 5. Right here we have 3 teeth. On this side we have 5, I believe. You can see it. That's pretty cool. I like how this bay looks. It looks like it'll be a pretty good defense type. I've heard it's bad, but I still think it'll be good. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take this bay apart and go into the other parts of the layer. So right here we got the Gachi chip, Bushin Ashur, which looks really cool. And I love the kind of dragon look to it. We already saw the teeth right here. And right here we got the Zen weight, which is pretty cool. We've seen this with other bays too. Yeah. I like the look of this one too. I think it'll go well with this bay. So let's go ahead and put this back together. Alright, and that's it. Remember, you can customize each of these parts, switch out the weight, the Gachi chip, everything like that. That's pretty cool. I love this new series and how they do things. And I know this is kind of a late unboxing, so this bay did come out a long time ago, but I still wanted to do this for you guys to get more content out. Anyways, right here, we have the Hurricane disc, which is really cool. This is the free spinning right here. Looks like it'll be pretty cool. I like this. I like how it does. Pretty free spinning. And I think this will be awesome and help with the defense part. Last but not least, we have the keep driver. Look, this is the rubber part right here. I think Oh, the rubber part's actually free spinning too, which is pretty cool. I think this rubber part will help it with defense too and stay on track, keep its balance. Look at this. Look at this design. This looks awesome. Alright. That's really it. I hope this goes well. We're going to go ahead and do a test launch after we put this baby together. And... ooh, the teeth are actually pretty bad. The teeth are pretty bad, but the bay looks cool all together. And I can't wait to do videos about this. But first off, let's go ahead and get to a test launch. Alright guys, we're going to do 2 test launches, one flat and one tilted. Alright, you guys ready? Let's go. First test launch. 3, 2, 1, go. Also, I got my Beyblade fix. Alright. Alright, I see the defense. Looks like it has a pretty good amount of stamina too. That's cool. Alright. Now, a tilted launch. Let's see. Ready? Alright, I like that. It has a little bit of, a little bit of attack too. I think this bit is going to be awesome. Goes right back to the center and takes the center for defense. Yeah. This bit, I hope it does really well in some battles. I think that'll be cool. You know what? Since I want to thank all of you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Usually I don't do this, but I'm just going to do a quick little test battle between these 2 bays since I just got them. Alright, ready guys? Only one battle though, ready? Dude, the freaking drive already came off. It's still going. Alright, do y'all guys, come on. Yeah, I think Bushin's gonna win. Ooh, that was really close, but I think Bushin Ashur actually won that one. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Don't forget to stay tuned for more epic battles, unboxings, and more. And hope you guys did enjoy this video. Stay tuned, and as always, Beyblade out.
I think we're ready for a new beginning.